In this video, I'll show you how to add profile picture to Discord server. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notifications to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, for you to, you can look at this our Discord server. There is no profile picture, right? So we're gonna add a new profile picture for this our server. What you're gonna do now, you're gonna click on here, right? Click on the server settings. Then you can see this upload image, right? So we got our brand profile picture right here. I'm gonna click on it. Click on the open. Wait for it to load up. So I can just click this apply, right? Click on the save changes. Wait for it to load. Okay, yeah, so I think there is basically a required image size to add. Okay, yeah, to add profile picture. Exactly. So you can see we just added a profile picture right here. You can see exactly. So if I go back, I think so. Yeah, this is basically how you can add profile picture to your Discord server. So if you click on this HowTo server, click on the server settings, you can see our profile picture is here for us, right? So if you find this video helpful, share it as well in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.